This is a Permobil M3 power chair, fully loaded. This chair has 7 miles, so it's practically brand spanking. It was probably used for a week. 7 miles, it is fully loaded. It has 5 electric functions. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric leg, and it also has what's called the interior tilt, which tilts you forward. 5 electrical functions. It has all kinds of other features. It also has the light kits, which we'll cover as we go along. But the first thing I want to show you, the function can be worked through the joystick or through the switch box. I like to use the switch box, it's quicker for me. So if you push that button back here, push it forward, the seat will start going up. So this is your seat lift. You will start at 22 inches, and by the time you go 12 inches, you'll be at 34 inches high. So you'll be almost eye level with someone sitting in your chair. So this is the seat lift going up by 12 inches, which is fantastic. The nice thing about this seat lift, once it's all the way up, this chair will still drive with the seat elevated. It'll still drive like I'm doing right here, okay? It drives at a slower speed, but it still drives, okay? So as you can see, this is your seat lift actuators right here. This is the armature for the seat lift. You can see how well built that is. We've got 14-inch solid wheels here. We've got 6-inch caster wheels in the front, 6-inch caster wheels in the back. We've got spring-loaded suspension for the back right here, so you can see when I move the chair, you can see the suspension back in here, okay? You've got an anchor point here, and you have another anchor point here. You have 2 anchor points, okay? Also, if we needed to push this chair right now, we can't push it, it's in gear. The motors on these chairs, you can see they're right here towards the front, and they go up to the wheel. So if I was to push this chair, I would turn the power off, make sure the seat is down, push the levers inward, and all of a sudden, you're in neutral. See how the wheel turns now? You have a motor on both sides. You can see the motors, they have reflectors in the front. Those are your motors that go this way, right to the wheel right here. Put it back in gear, and now you can see you're in gear. This chair weighs 425 pounds, so it's a heavy chair, 425 pounds. So, I'm going to turn the power back on. We've just covered the 12-inch seat lift, okay? Now, the next thing I want to show you is the electric tilt, but before that, let me talk to you about the swing-away joystick. This is called a swing-away joystick. If you're right-handed, it's great. If you're left-handed, we can switch all the joystick and the switch box to the left side, and it'll swing to the left side, okay? So I've got the seat back down to flat. The next function I'm going to do is called the electric tilt. Whoop, let me do this one first. So the electric tilt is when the bottom goes back, okay? When that goes back, this portion right here, of course the legs and the back are connected together, so that all of it's going to come in one piece. That's called electric tilt. So this is an electric tilt right here. So this is as far as it'll go right here. The next thing I want to show you is the electric legs. These legs are adjustable depending how tall you are. So right now they're adjusted probably for someone about 5'8", but we can adjust these legs. So if you wanted some circulation, you could put your legs up and tilt your body this way. And if you wanted to have your legs even higher, on this model you have to tilt the seat down before you let the legs go all the way up. See how they're going up still? So if you do the legs first, okay, and then you tilt your chair, you can see now how it would be much higher, okay? There's a bag back here. This is I didn't realize where that noise was coming from. This is a backpack, okay, so we'll cover that in a minute. That's where that noise was coming from. So now if you wanted to have it tilted more, you could even go more if you wanted to be tilted more. There you go. So you have a lot of different positions that you can be at with this chair. So when you're outside, leave your legs out a little bit like that, so you have more room. Of course, I wouldn't leave it out that much, but let me bring the legs up one more time to show you when the seat is down how far they go up. And we can adjust these legs right here with these poles. These two poles are adjustable. So that's called the electric legs by themselves. The recline is just a back going back by itself. So this is the recline right here. I'm going to pull the arm up so you can see it. That's your electric recline going back right there. So if you were laying in your chair, this is what it would look like. That's the electric recline. And so this is what it would look like with the back all the way back and the legs all the way up. Okay? I'm going to bring the recline back. And I'm also going to bring the legs back down. Now you can do two functions. I'm using two fingers here, but you can do two functions through the joystick at one time. So I'm bringing the legs down to normal setting. So far we've covered the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric legs, the electric recline. Now we're going to do what's called the interior tilt. This would be called the interior tilt, which is where the seat goes forward a little bit. Let me raise the seat up a little bit. So you have to be raised up a little bit for the tilt to start working. So look at this. This is called the interior tilt. So if you had an issue getting out of your chair, you raise the seat up a little bit and then you do the interior tilt and it tilts you forward enough to help you get out. Of course, you would bring your legs and your foot plate up when you get out. Okay? That's called the interior tilt right there. I'm going to bring it back down to normal. And I'm going to take the bag back here, put it back on the seat, turn the chair around. We're going to look at the front of the seat right now. You have a bag right here with tools, all the manuals from Permobil for this chair. Everything that comes with this chair is right in this bag right here. The seat on this chair is 21 by 21. Now, I'm leaving the seat this way right now for this video. If you're looking to buy this chair and you want a taller back, you want a leather back, or you want a vinyl back, you want it smaller, you want the seat adjusted, we can do all that over here. So give us a call. We can size up these chairs for you. But right now the seat is 21 by 21 deep. You do have a safety belt. You have right here what's called lateral pads. This keeps your knees from falling out and keeps your feet on the foot plate. Very nice to have. They can be removed real easily, just like that. And they can also be moved inward all the way to back here. So you can put it wherever you want, okay? Also with this chair, you have two bags, two Permobil bags. You can put your cell phone, you have your pump. This is an air pump. The cushion that's on here is an air cushion back. The back of it is an air cushion. You can pump air. You can adjust the firmness of the back part of it. So you have two bags right here. You also have in this chair 16-inch. These are gel arms right here. These are gel. You can see the gel in here. You can see what I'm pushing. This is all gel in here. You've got elbow pads, so your arm stays on the arm. Your arm stays on the arm pad when you're tilted back. You have elbow pad. This is custom. This is custom. This is custom. All that is extra with this power chair. You also have under this arm right here a USB port right here. There's your USB port right there. Also, what you have with this chair, I mentioned earlier, is a light kit. So I'm going to turn the lights on so you can see the lights. So this is the full Permobil light kit. These are the good ones. These are the good lights. Okay? These lights really light up now. When I mean they light up, you can go down the street and you'll be seen. This thing also has flashers. Right flasher, left flasher, front and back. And it also has what's called the hazards. Okay? So this chair has the full lighting package. That's usually a $1,000 addition for the light on a Permobil, $1,000 to $1,500. So you've got the full lighting package on here. You do have solid tires all the way around, which is nice. You've got a headrest that's fully adjustable right here. You can also remove the headrest. It's fully adjustable. You've got back here 2 hooks for your backpack right here. So this backpack will come with this chair. So they hook right here. This is where you would hook up your backpack right here, okay? Also back here, there's a button back here. This is where we turn the power off. When we ship these chairs, we always turn the power off right here. And you need to come in here, click it over. It's a power switch right here. So that's the first thing you need to do when you get your chairs. Turn the power back over here. Then you'll have power in the front like it is now. Okay? So, when you charge this chair, you will take your Permobil charger, which is right here. Let's turn these lights off so we don't blind our cameraman. Whoop, wrong thing. Lights are off. So you take your Permobil charger, plug it below your joystick. As soon as it goes to 100%, you're full. The charger will stop charging automatically as soon as the batteries are full. There's 2 batteries in here. They'll give you about 13 miles on a battery charge. That mileage is different for everybody. So if you have a 300-pound person in here, you have a 150-pound person, it's going to be different on the mileage if you're going uphill in the grass. But roughly about 13 miles on a battery charge, which is a long way. Okay? So again, let's recap. This is a Permobil M3. The color is, what's the color again? Cobalt, silver cobalt color. M3 power chair with 7 miles, electric tilt, electric recline, electric seat lip of 12 inches, electric legs, and the interior tilt. 5 electrical function. You've got the swing away joystick, the lateral pad, the 2 bags, the gel arms, the elbow pads, the safety belt, all the manual, and the backpack right here. This is as new as you're going to get with 7 miles, probably used for a week. Beautiful chair, ready to go. So this is the Permobil M3, beautiful chair with a 5 electric function, fully loaded, the light package. I can go on and on, no problem through the grass, 6 miles an hour top speed, fantastic chair.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.